Welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. We're going to do an amazing meditation today. It's a Kriya meditation, which means it involves action, a repetitive action. And when we practice Kriya, it just helps us go deeper in our meditation. This meditation is to help us operate from a place of totality, of a place where we can really trust in our authentic selves and, trust each other. What I've learned from this meditation is that when you can speak from totality, that means that you are speaking from a deep place of trust. Trust with yourself, and then you can communicate really well in the world. This is a really great exercise to practice with a partner as well. The first thing you want to do is do this meditation by yourself, and you want to practice it for about 31 minutes if you can. We're going to do a short period today just so you can get into the mood and understand how the Kriya works, but 31 minutes is amazing. The other thing is, when you are doing the Kriya, when you're doing the action, it's kind of like you're throwing darts. So you want to have that kind of action with your hands. You're not breaking your wrists, but you're just, in and out like that. Ask your partner this question, if you like, before and after you practice this Kriya. This is the question: how do I create trust and distrust in my relationships with my communication? A long time ago, this practice was only given to families from royal lineages. People had to work really hard or establish a certain evolution in their yogic practice to be able to be trusted with this meditation. In fact, the families had to be practicing Kriya Yoga for 7 generations in order to practice this meditation. So we're really lucky because we've come to a place in time where we just want to continue to expand and evolve our awareness, and so we can practice this. Get yourself in proper posture. Be aware of your navel point, pulling it in towards the spine. That opens up the chest and allows the shoulder blades to drop down on your back and relax. So you're using the core of your center to maintain a straight spine. Bring your hands into Gyan Mudra up to your shoulders, so your elbows are bent. Your chin is parallel to the floor. Close your eyes, or you can keep them open 1/10 of the way. We're going to chant a mantra that goes like this: Wa, wa, hey, hey, wa, wa, hey, hey, wa, wa, hey, hey, guru. And every time we say a word, our hands are going to go out about 12 to 18 inches away from our shoulders. Wa, wa, hey, hey, wa, wa, hey, hey, wa, wa, hey, hey, guru. Eyes closed or 1/10 open. Breathing in and out through the nose. Being aware of our navel point, having a strong core, navel point to the spine. On the inhale. Wa, wa, hey, hey, wa, wa, hey, hey, wa, wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, wa, hey, hey, wa, wa, hey, hey, wa, wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, wa, hey, hey, wa, wa, hey, hey, wa, wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey. Wa, hey, hey, guru. Take a nice deep breath. Bring your hands up. Interlace your fingers on top of your head. Close your eyes. Breathe through your nose. Slightly twist to the left. Inhale, center. Slight twist to the right. Inhale, center. One more time. Left. Inhale, center. Right. Inhale, center. Hold it. Sustain your breath. Focus on the crown of your head. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, relax your hands down into Gyan Mudra. Meditate here, eyes closed, gazing at the third eye. And slowly open your eyes. There. I feel more totality. I hope you do too. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'd be happy to respond. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please share this meditation with your friends and ring the bell. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. And bye for now.